All right, on the next step of the airbag saga, here it is down to the clock spring. Steering wheel is over here in pieces. Don't mind the mess, but we're gonna get this clock spring out and throw a new one in. All right, new clock spring is in. It is pretty simple. For me, I dropped one of the tools back behind, so caused a little bit of an issue, but this top plastic ring just pops up. You've got two screws here, one here, one here, one here, one here. And then I now have the new connections for the airbag, which was the problem. Again, whenever it was in a wreck, they just snipped the ends. And so instead of soldering new ends on, I wanted to know that I had a new clock spring in there and everything be working correctly. So it's all bolted in. We will get the steering wheel in and get it bolted up. All right, steering wheel is in. I do have new buttons coming. These are a little worn off. I think they're supposed to be here within the next few days between both of them. So we will get that done, but it's all bolted back in. You got the new connections for the airbag. Everything should be good to go on that front. Right, and now the next buttons. So yesterday we did the audio, today's cruise control, and then we can get the airbag back in. All right, just got the connections in. I just finished the cruise control. Airbag is connected, and look at that fancy new wheel. New airbag slash horn. So we will have to get that passed. Let me mess with the harness that's in there, and then I'll get that in and we'll test it out.